guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be filming my wash day routine as well as my curly hair routine. My hair hasn't been washed in about 2 weeks, so it's definitely time for a wash day. Time to get all that oil buildup and everything else out. And today I will be walking you guys through the steps I take to wash my hair. And then after, I do have a new product that I'm using. It's called Pearl Soft Curls. If you haven't already heard of it, this is a super big product that's trending right now. So I definitely want to give it a shot and see if it works for my hair. So I'll be demonstrating that after I wash my hair and just kind of showing you guys the final results and see if I actually like the product. Because if I do, I'm definitely going to transition to start using that into my curly hair routine. So stay tuned. Without further ado, I'll go ahead and get started on washing my hair.
So first we're going to start out with my Xoxo shampoo, definitely one of my favorites for about a year now. And if you haven't already, go check out my previous wash and go video where I walk you through some of my favorite shampoos, conditioners, and deep conditioners. Right now I'm using one of my favorite scalp massaging and scalp scrubbing tools. I use this tool to massage my scalp and really make sure that I am scrubbing my scalp and getting all of the dirt and buildup left in there. And this also just makes sure that I keep my scalp nicely clean and moisturized during my wash routine. I really love this shampoo and conditioner duo because it has an amazing mango hibiscus smell that gives you a nice calming sensation while you're washing your hair. Next, we're on to my clarifying shampoo. I typically use the same tool I use with my Xoxo shampoo to give my scalp a nice scrub and massage. When I purchase this peppermint clarifying shampoo, I normally mix about 2 to 3 tablespoons of tea tree oil into my shampoo, as tea tree oil reaps a lot of good benefits and it also helps to stimulate hair growth. Clarifying shampoos are important additions to anyone's hair routine as well, because unlike normal shampoos, they're made to deep cleanse and remove excess buildup, like product residue and pollutants. So I definitely love to add this mixture into my wash routine. My third step transitions into my conditioning stage. I am completely obsessed with my Xoxo conditioner because it helps to balance the oil production in my scalp. The vitamins and minerals in the formula support overall scalp health, and the mango extract defends against damage, and it's 96% cruelty-free, naturally derived, vegan, and it leaves my hair silky smooth without weighing it down after I'm washing. For my last step in my conditioning phase, I like to finalize my wash routine with a deep conditioner. Deep conditioners are vital because they add moisture, they strengthen your hair strands, and they boost elasticity. They also help to repair your hair shaft. When you add deep conditioning to your wash routine, it helps to support resiliency in your hair, making it less prone to damage when you're doing daily styling manipulations, chemical treatments, and heat to your hair. I specifically like this deep conditioner because it infuses raw shea butter, sea kelp, and a lot of other key nutrients which help to seal and smooth your hair cuticle. Not only, but it helps to add shine by incorporating argan oil, which promotes elasticity. And this deep conditioner also adds a lot of shine to your hair, it adds a lot of moisture, and it really has added to my overall health of my hair. And also a really important step in my deep conditioning phase is using my wide tooth comb to comb through the conditioner in my hair. This helps to make sure that the conditioner gets through each strand in my hair and also the most damaged parts of my hair, which would probably be my ends, just because I have curly hair and that's the type of position in my hair that tends to break a lot.
My main oils that I use is the Miel Rosemary Mint Oil. I love the way you can apply this to your hair. It's super fast and easy. And then I'll also be applying my tea tree oil, which I also really like. With tea tree oil, it does have a really strong smell. And it's not the best feeling in your hair, but I do love what it like does for my hair. It helps my hair grow a lot. And I've been using this for a while as well. But when you use tea tree oil, you want to use a small amount just because it can become very overwhelming and cause a lot of like oil buildup if you use too much. So make sure you use the right amount for your hair. All right, and then last for my oils, I like to kind of like glide this through my hair as I'm applying my hair products. This is the Lucetta Biotin and Collagen Oil. And I believe this works well. I've been using this kind of fairly recently, but it's been adding a lot of shine and like healthiness to my curls, so I really like this one a lot. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So my hair did begin to get a little bit dry, so I'm just gonna add some water to it with my mist spray. If you've watched my previous videos, then you'll know what this is. If you haven't, this is a mist bottle you can get from Sally's, Target, a lot of retail stores, and it just lightly damps your hair to where it's not like super wet, and it applies it in like a mist-like manner. I don't know if you're able to see that, but I finished applying all my products, so now I'm going to just use my microfiber towel to scrunch up my curls and help it dry a little bit more. And then I'm going to wait for it to dry so you guys can see the final results of my hair. Alright, so my hair is still pretty damp, so I'm gonna go ahead and let it dry, and I'll be back with you guys once it's dry so I can show you guys the final results. Alright, so my hair is about almost fully dry now, and these are the finished results. Definitely got some nice spiral curls, and I'm super happy with the results. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for more.